You finally pulled the trigger on that backyard pool. But before a single drop of water goes in, you have a massive decision to make: salt water or traditional chlorine. Most buyers get this completely wrong because they misunderstand what they are actually paying for. You are not just picking a simple cleaning method. You are locking in your summer lifestyle, your long-term budget, and exactly how your skin will feel every single time you step out of the water. Here's what matters. Let's strip away the marketing fluff and find out which system actually belongs in your backyard. Water quality and the physical experience. Now let's talk about the actual physical experience of being in the water, because this is where people really start taking hard sides. If you have ever been in a public hotel pool and left with bloodshot eyes, incredibly itchy skin, and hair that smells like a chemical spill for 3 days, you know the dark side of traditional chlorine. But here's a dirty little secret. That terrible smell is not actually the chlorine itself. It is something called chloramines. Chloramines are the nasty byproduct of chlorine doing its job and killing off bacteria, sweat, sunscreen, and whatever else is floating in the water. In a traditional pool, if you don't stay perfectly on top of your delicate chemical balance, those chloramines build up extremely quickly and turn the water incredibly harsh. Saltwater pools completely change this dynamic. Because the salt cell generator is constantly trickling a tiny, precise amount of pure chlorine into the water every single hour the pool pump is running, those chloramines never really get a chance to build up. The water chemistry stays incredibly stable day and night. But the real magic is the physical feel of the salt itself. The salinity of a saltwater pool is only about 1/10 the saltiness of the ocean. It is actually very close to the natural salinity of a human tear. When you open your eyes underwater, it does not burn or sting at all. When you finally get out of the pool, your skin feels remarkably soft and smooth, almost silky, instead of feeling dry, tight, and ashy. Your expensive bathing suits will not fade as quickly over summer. For people with sensitive skin, eczema, or asthma, this difference is entirely night and day. You are essentially trading a harsh chemical bath for a gentle, soothing soak. The economics of upfront cash versus long-term bleed. We need to deeply examine the money, because the financial curve on these two different pools goes in completely opposite directions. Let us start with the traditional chlorine setup. The barrier to entry here is very low. The pool builder plumbs in a basic plastic chlorinator that costs a couple of $100 and you are immediately ready to swim. Traditional pool chemicals are wildly expensive, and their retail prices fluctuate aggressively based on global supply chains and seasonal demand. You will easily find yourself dropping hundreds of dollars a single season on buckets of tablets, bags of shock treatment, and jugs of liquid chlorine. Every time it rains heavily or you host a big weekend pool party, you have to dump more of your money directly into the water to keep it clean and safe. Saltwater pools flip that script entirely. The upfront cost is absolutely going to hurt your wallet. You have to buy the electronic control board and the salt cell generator itself, which usually adds anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 to your initial pool build cost. You also have to buy dozens of bags of pool salt just to get the water properly conditioned on day one. But once that initial financial pain is over, your ongoing costs drop off an absolute cliff. Pool salt is incredibly cheap. We are talking less than $10 for a massive 40-pound bag. And you only need to add a few bags an entire season just to replace the water lost to splashing and backwashing the filter. However, you have to factor in the long game. That salt cell generator I mentioned earlier does not last forever. Every 3 to 7 years, depending entirely on how hard you run it and how well you maintain it, that cell will burn out and need to be replaced. That is an easy $500 to $1,000 repair bill waiting for you down the road. So while saltwater is vastly cheaper month to month, you absolutely need to budget for that eventual equipment replacement. The reality of maintenance and time. Time is your most valuable asset, and how you choose to spend it will dictate whether you actually enjoy owning your pool or deeply resent it. Traditional pools are incredibly needy. They require constant, vigilant supervision. You have to test the water manually at least once or twice every single week. You have to handle toxic chemicals with gloves, figure out the exact mathematical dosage, and carefully add them to the water without spilling. If you go on vacation for a week in the middle of July and forget to ask a neighbor to drop a chlorine puck in the skimmer basket, you will undoubtedly come home to a dark green swamp. You are entirely responsible for keeping the biological balance in check at all times. Saltwater pools offer a massive step back from the ledge. The automation handles the heavy lifting for you. You just set the output percentage on your control board, and the generator quietly produces the exact amount of chlorine you need every single day. The water stays remarkably clear and perfectly stable with very little intervention from you. You can leave for 2 full weeks, and as long as the pump is running, the pool will beautifully take care of itself. But do not ever confuse low maintenance with zero maintenance. The salt cell itself needs your direct attention. Every 3 months, you have to physically remove it from the plumbing, inspect the delicate metal plates inside, and soak it in a dangerous mixture of water and muriatic acid to burn off the white calcium scale that naturally builds up during the electrolysis process. If you decide to ignore this chore, the cell stops producing chlorine entirely, and your expensive automated system becomes a totally useless piece of plastic. The hidden threat of corrosion. We have to address the hidden catch of salt water, and it is something pool builders often conveniently forget to mention during their glossy sales pitch. Salt is a highly corrosive natural element. It desperately wants to eat away at things. Even at the relatively low concentrations found in a residential pool, constantly splashing salt water onto your deck and equipment day after day takes a serious toll. Over a few short years, you might start noticing rust forming on your steel pool ladders, your expensive underwater light fixtures, or the metal screws holding your skimmer faceplate together. If you have soft, porous natural stone coping around the edge of the pool, like certain types of limestone or travertine, the salt water can slowly seep into the tiny pores, crystallize as it dries in the sun, and literally cause the stone to flake, crack, and crumble apart. To fight this inevitable process, you have to purposely install sacrificial zinc anodes in your plumbing to draw the galvanic corrosion away from your expensive pool heater and pump motor. You also have to be borderline religious about hosing off your patio furniture and stone deck with fresh water if they get heavily splashed. Traditional chlorine pools are far more forgiving on your hardscape and hardware. As long as you do not let the acidity of the water drop too incredibly low, a standard chlorine pool is relatively inert when it comes to actively corroding metal or destroying natural stone. Your equipment will generally live a longer, happier life without the constant looming threat of salt degradation. The final verdict. Choosing between these two distinct systems really comes down to exactly what you value more in your daily life. If you are extremely budget conscious on the front end of the build, and you honestly do not mind playing the role of backyard chemist a few times a week, a traditional chlorine pool is a perfectly fine choice. It has been the absolute standard for decades, for a very good reason. But if you value your free time, if you desperately want a luxurious soft water swimming experience that does not leave your skin feeling like rough sandpaper, and you are willing to spend a little more upfront cash to get it, salt water is absolutely the way to go. The technology has completely proven itself. The daily water quality is undeniably superior, and the profound peace of mind that comes with automated sanitation is incredibly hard to put a price tag on. Decide exactly how much manual work you actually want to do. Honestly evaluate your initial budget, and the right choice for your backyard will become incredibly obvious.